Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but yeah, this one got beat up quite a bit today. To give some credit, though, where credit's due, the bulls did put together a bounce. I'm going to need that green line. And the big question now going forward is, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this just kind of like a knee-jerk reaction, dead cat type bounce? And in my mind, to answer that question, it all revolves around this $1.60 mark. So why is $1.60 so helpful in regards to answering this question? Well, it all revolves around the logic that price movements with true power, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.60. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of the range of the chart where it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that base of lows down around there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $1.60. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I get it, that line's way up there. But as tomorrow unfolds and the oncoming days unfold, that purple line is going to move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. So if this bounce that's currently underway has any sort of chance at continuing and building up, and gaining strength, it's all about not only getting up above that purple line, but then also being able to stay up above it after the price breaks through it. So no doubt about it, though, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce as time progresses? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.